La 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 la. Hello my friends, today I want to show you 3 embellishments that are super easy to make and that will add a lot of charm to your projects. First of all, there will be this beautiful butterfly. You can already guess how to make it. Then there will be these layered hearts that can also be your booklets. You can write on these pages and make some little notes. And the third one will be a bit more complicated, but also not too difficult to make, is this pull-out lid. This is the kind of embellishment that you liked most in my recent journal about that whimsical place. And I am making my new journal, and there will be a lot of secrets and interactive elements as well, of course. So here are some of them. I hope you will enjoy this video and will find it useful. I think I begin with these hearts because I think they are the easiest to play with. I have this piece of paper. This is an old notebook. Actually, I do use a lot of old papers and fabrics. So for now, I only need one heart actually, and the rest of them will be just smaller than this one. Let's see. Great. Just perfect. I will make this cut right now. I will do it just approximately. Something like this. But you can be precise, of course, if you want to. What happened to this corner? I don't know. Okay. As you can see, I don't mind having these imperfections. Let's see. I don't think you see much now, but when I'm done with stamping, you will see how beautiful this thing is. Well, you have already seen it, and I haven't yet. There you go. Look. And instantly it has a lot of volume here. As you all know, this is the most time-consuming part. And it's not something that you can do in advance. I mean, of course, I do it in advance when I prepare the signature. And also I stain the edges of my cutouts that I'm sure I will be using here. But I still have a lot of work to do as I go. Every edge is stamped. I don't mind having these words here either. It's a junk journal, you know. I have to use some junk because I get these comments. Oh, don't you call these junk journals? But some people say it in some kind way. The others say these are not junk journals. I do not delete bad comments. I don't get too many of them, but even if there are some, I do not delete them. Well, of course, if they're not insulting or something. And this girl, this French girl, I think, she said, oh, come on, this is just a pile of cardstock glued and some cheap stuff from 50-cent store, and you're talking about creativity. Well, no, I'm not talking about creativity. I'm just trying to be creative. This is it. Ooh, I like it. I think I will do it by hands. To be honest, I just do not want to take out my sewing machine I could glue it, but I want to see this this line, the stroke. Just a couple of these. Make it just a little bit longer, this line. On this side I will not do much because I will glue it anyway. I have this thing, there was some souvenir here, I guess, I'm not sure. Yeah, there was something from Thailand here. And this time I will fold the paper a few times, and all those hearts will be of the same size. Again, I'm not measuring, something like this. Let's see. Beautiful. Perfect. Now I fold them. And since the paper is already dark, even grungy, I will only make a few movements like this. Enough. I will not even bother myself about hiding this and let it be a bit chunky. I like doing this with butterflies. I have this knife with my Big Shot that gives me these beautiful butterflies. And when I have some picture like, let me see, like this, let's say, I would be adding those butterflies. I have bigger and smaller, and I would leave their wings free. Well, I'm sure you have seen it in my journals. These are pages that I will be using in my next journal. It will be called A Floral Dream. There will be a lot of flowers, there will be a lot of dreamy stuff.